Boosting our immunity. We are what we eat. From generation to generation, wisdom on how to keep the doctor away has been passed down. You've likely heard the statements, oranges stave off colds, or turmeric detoxifies and cleanses. But is there any truth to these so-called old wives' tales? In the age of COVID-19, without a vaccine or established drug therapy, what can we do to boost our immunity? Recently, a review article was published in Functional Foods and Health and Disease entitled Mechanisms of Selected Functional Foods Against Viral Infections with a View on COVID-19, mini review by Drs. Alexander Haselberger, Ursula Jacob, Berit Hip, and Heidrun Karlik. It was based on a 2003 meeting hosted by the World Health Organization, where experts discussed combination treatments for SARS, including both traditional Chinese and Western medicine. So what were these functional foods? How do they curb viral infections? And can we extend these antiviral properties to the fight against COVID-19? The first compound is quercetin, found in onions, chives, capers, cilantro, and banana peppers. It is an anti-inflammatory that has been found to prevent entry of the SARS and influenza A viruses into our host cells. Curcumin is the second compound, found in turmeric. It is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that may inhibit entry of SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing COVID-19, into our host cells through a number of binding mechanisms. It also heightens the body's responses to viruses, and so far has shown activity against the hepatitis virus, influenza, Zika, chikungunya, and HIV. However, it is notable that curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body, unless taken with piperidine, an ingredient found in black pepper. Citrus compounds, like curcumin, have also been found to potentially inhibit virus binding. So drinking a glass of orange juice to stave off that cold may not be such a bad idea after all. Epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, is the next compound, found in green tea. It is an anti-inflammatory and anti-aging compound that enhances our immune response and prevents the replication of viruses. EGCG may also prevent binding of the viruses causing SARS and COVID-19 to our host cells, and has already shown activity against the herpes virus, hepatitis, influenza, Zika, chikungunya, West Nile, dengue, and HIV. Floritin is the fourth compound, found in apples, pears, and strawberries. It is an anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antibacterial, and antifungal agent that may inhibit virus survival and production. Berberine is the fifth compound found in barberries and turmeric. It's an anti-inflammatory that inhibits the reproduction of viruses, such as chikungunya and H1N1 or influenza A. Sulforaphane is the next compound, found in broccoli. It activates immune cells that fight off infection and has shown activity against influenza-type viruses and the Epstein-Barr virus of the herpes family. Thymoquinone is the seventh compound, found in nigella seeds and black seed oil. It is an anti-cancer agent that activates our immune cells, leading to the clearance of influenza viruses such as H9N2 or avian flu. Polyphenols from sage are the final compound. They are antifungal agents that have shown activity against the herpes family of viruses, HIV, and SARS. Unfortunately, consuming copious amounts of the compounds listed here will not prevent or treat viral infections, including COVID-19. Be sure to read our post for exact daily recommended amounts. They are very minute. Instead, the authors of the article suggest that these compounds may form the basis upon which antiviral treatments for COVID-19 may be developed. For now, the food sources listed here may provide a much-needed immunity boost. The bottom line is that prevention is better than cure. While engaging in our new normal of social distancing, frequent hand washing, and mask wearing, ensuring that we consume a balanced diet filled with fruits and vegetables is a task that may be well worth the effort. For the full post, visit asamatterofscience.com.